this place, Lenggo. This is the first thing that I was looking for to bring to my family. I love Palembang. Palembang have a lot of delicious culinary, so here it is the one, pempek. This is so beautiful and very Instagrammable. I will definitely post my picture in this place. For the second floor, it's even more greater than the first floor. Here it is when people can enjoy their food. It is completely true that Lenggo is the best place for you to visit when you are in Palembang. You can find anything that you are looking for. Lenggo is the best.